Everyone, today we are going to create the CAD model of a bench. So first we will start with the coordinate system. We will place the coordinate system at the center and we'll select front plane or YZ plane for sketching. Here we are going to draw a sketch or the outline of the side face of the bench. You will see once the sketch is completed. So it is like this, and we will assign all the dimensions first without giving the actual dimensions, because sometimes the sketch gets disturbed while we start to edit the dimensions one by one. So here once we will assign all the dimensions and then we will edit it simultaneously. So the sketch will not get disturbed. Thickness of all the sections is 25 mm. So first of all we will edit those values, and now height of the section is 350. Length of the sketch is 400 and it is at a 200 distance from center. Next, we will draw another rectangle at the bottom of this sketch, which is at 100 mm distance from the base of the sketch. Thickness of this rectangle is also 25 as the all other sides. Now the next part is we will draw an inclined line from this point to draw the resting face of the bench or the backrest. We will offset this line by 25 mm and close this. Now we will give the dimensions. Inclination of this face is 100 degree. Now height of this back resting face we should give. So we'll select point. We need to select the point, and this is at 400 distance. Okay. Now next part is to trim the overlapping or intersecting lines so as to make the sketch suitable for next process, that is extruding, or to make it solid. Here we will trim all the unwanted entities or overlapping entities. Now to make it completely constrained or fully constrained, we need to give some dimensions here, because due to trimming some dimensions have been deleted automatically. So here we will give dimensions. Okay, now the sketch is fully constrained. Now exit, and we will pad this by 25 mm in the reverse direction, and here we will create a plane at a distance of 750 from this our coordinate system, and next is to mirror this side portion of this plane. So these are the two ends of the bench, as you can see. Now we will construct in between parts. Here we will select that middle plane and start drawing some more sections. So two rectangles, one on horizontal bottom side and one on the back side vertical face. The distances are we will provide the dimensions here. 25 mm from the upper side Here coincide with the face. Again, this is also coincident. And the height of this rectangle is again 25. Same dimensions are for the second rectangle. You coincide these faces, and the side face is at 12.5, that is 25 by 2 from center. And the total distance or length of the rectangle is 25 again. Okay, so here 25. Exit. Now we will pad or extrude these rectangles for 750 mirror, that is total 1500. As you can see, now you would have got an idea how we are going to construct the bench. Now select this slant portion for sketching. Now we will draw the back resting portion of the bench. We'll draw two rectangles first, and we'll give the dimensions. So first rectangle top side, the distance is 20. From sides also it is at 20 outside. On both sides the dimensions are same. 20. And now the rectangle middle distance is also 20. Height of the rectangles, both rectangles, height is 165. 1 second, it is also 165. And yes, it. We will pad these two rectangles for a distance of 25 above the side face. So it will look like this, the side resting part of the bench. Now we'll select this top surface to create the section where we sit on the bench. So again we will draw two rectangles, same as the back resting part. Dimensions are also same. So the distance is 20. Outside distance is also 20. Middle, the gap between two is also 20. And the height of the rectangle is again 165 for both. Now the sketch is fully constrained. Exit, and we will pad it by 25 again. So here we will hide these coordinate systems and planes. This is the CAD model of the bench. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.